Hello, in this video we're gonna perform the Wi-Fi speed test on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now I will be using Wi-Fi 6 for this test, and I'm also using the same Wi-Fi connection on my PC, and I managed to get 800 megabits per second, and we're gonna compare it to the Wi-Fi speed on this device. So we will see if there is actually any difference between the connection on PC and the connection on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So on PC, the download speed was 800 megabits per second. The upload was 69 megabits per second, and as you can see on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it is 305, so it is more than a half slower compared to PC, but the upload seems to be the same. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!